In this video, we will explore the science behind apple cider vinegar's potential to enhance weight loss efforts. From boosting metabolism and reducing fat accumulation to regulating blood sugar levels and suppressing appetite, learn how this natural remedy might support your health and fitness goals. Let us look at 4 ways apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss. At number 1. Appetite suppression. One theory is that apple cider vinegar might help with weight loss by reducing appetite. Acetic acid, the main component in vinegar, could slow down the emptying of the stomach and make people feel full longer, potentially leading to a decrease in overall calorie intake. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar might influence the centers in the brain that control appetite, leading to a reduced desire to eat. By promoting a feeling of satiety, apple cider vinegar could help people consume fewer calories throughout the day. At number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Apple cider vinegar might help regulate blood sugar levels. By improving insulin sensitivity after a high-carbohydrate meal, it can prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes that might otherwise lead to snacking or overeating. Stable blood sugar levels can help with weight management. Consuming apple cider vinegar before meals has been shown to decrease blood sugar levels more significantly than when taken at other times. This effect can be attributed to the acetic acid in vinegar, which may slow the digestion of carbohydrates. At number 3. Fat storage. Some studies suggest that acetic acid can influence the genes responsible for fat storage, reducing the amount of fat that the body stores. This effect is particularly noted in the liver and abdominal area, which are critical regions affecting metabolic health and the risk of diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. And finally, at number 4. Metabolism Boost. Acetic acid in apple cider vinegar has been shown to increase the activity of certain enzymes that help break down fats and sugars in the body. This can lead to a more efficient metabolism, helping the body to convert nutrients into energy more effectively rather than storing them as fat. Some studies suggest that acetic acid can stimulate thermogenesis, which is the process of heat production in organisms. Thermogenesis increases energy expenditure and calorie burning, contributing to weight loss. Despite these promising effects, it's important to use apple cider vinegar cautiously due to its acidity, which can damage tooth enamel and the esophagus. Diluting apple cider vinegar in water and possibly consuming it with a meal can minimize these risks. Moreover, while apple cider vinegar can be a helpful tool for blood sugar regulation and weight management, it should not replace medications prescribed for diabetes or serve as a sole strategy for weight loss. Remember, the journey to health and wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. Let the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar inspire you to adopt healthier habits and make informed choices towards a happier, healthier you. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.